Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Google Classroom. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can mix errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and you are watching.